Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly change your name on the Substack app. Whether you're updating your profile for personal branding or just want to show a different name, first, open the Substack app on your device. Once it's launched, look for the profile icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Inside the Settings page, you will see an option called Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile information. In this section, you'll see a field labeled Name. Tap on this field and type the new name that you want to appear on your Substack account. Finally, once you have entered your new name, make sure to save the changes by clicking the Save button at the top right. Your Substack profile will now display the updated name immediately. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.